Here I have Cubot P50, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here in picture size you can change aspect ratio. So you have like 3:4 and 16:9. Basically you only have two, but with different resolutions. Like these ones with 12 megapixels, 8, 2, and yeah. So you have like only two aspect ratios. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.